Now, since we are creating a blogging application, we already have the authentication system set up for administrative users. So a user can log in and now he will need to create posts for the front end of our blog. So now that we will need posts in our blog, let's go ahead and create a post model. And again, as usual, we just go to our terminal and we just run php artisan make model and the name in capital and little letters, post, and we just put a -m so that we also have a migration for the post table. So I hit enter and we just created a migration and a post model. So I'll hide this and I'll head over to my terminal and I'll head over to my application right here, and post.php is created for us and we have a post migration. So how would our post table look like? So first of all, we need a string, which is going to be the title of our post. And secondly, we need a text field, which is going to be the contents of our post. And also one other field I would like to add right here is an integer field. And what this integer field is going to store is a category ID. And now, what is this category ID? This category ID is going to be an ID from a table that we are going to create called a categories table, and this is going to save the ID of the category to which this post belongs. So what we are going to be doing is classifying our post under particular categories. So a post would be under category of food, or under category of coding, or under category of web development, depending on how you want to arrange it. But we need to save the ID of the category to which this post belongs to. Okay, so look at the convention right here. I'm going to have a categories table, but I'm going to have a category model. So I say category and an underline, and then I have ID. Okay, and this convention is really important because Laravel is going to use this to create what we call relationships, which we are going to view in the next video. And one other field that we can actually add right here is the featured image. So this is going to be a string because all we are going to be doing is storing a link to this particular image. So this is going to be a string, and this we are just going to call featured. Okay, so it's the featured image of the particular post. So this is our post table is set up, and the next table we need is a categories table, so that it's going to store the categories of our post in our database. So we'll just run the same thing, php artisan make model, and this would be category. Remember, it's the singular, and we create a migration for that. So now that that's created by Laravel for us, let's go ahead and view that migration. So this is the migration, and all we are going to have here is simply the name of the category. So this is going to be a string field, and it's going to have the name, and that's all. So we have our categories and our post tables set up.